Zoom recording 8. Mark. So I'm trying a vlog. If you haven't noticed, hopefully the microphone is working. Got a little lapel mic on. Because I only do the best for you guys. So I showered and my hair's all wet. I'm in a park. I've got a bit of a plan today. This vlog is just going to be me going about on a day. Today I feel fairly productive, so hopefully we get things done. Oh, we need to get a Halloween costume. I'm going to try aim for the bowler hat man from the TV show Hill House, or The Haunting of Hill House. It's a show that I watched recently and thought was probably one of the best TV shows I've ever watched. A solid 11 out of 10. So there's that, so we need to get the bowler hat man's big ragged suit or blazer, just some like old trousers, straight cut trousers, and a big stick, and a bowler hat, of course. It's called Bowler Hat Man, and a crow. So that's one plan. The second part of the plan for today is a lovely walk through a woodland near where I live. This isn't the one that I've done my other vlogs in, actually. This is a different park. I've moved house, and so I'm now on the other side of Bristol. But yeah, I'm gonna, as much as I can, take you along on the journey. So we'll see how it goes, I guess. I'm in a bit. I just thought that I would show off the nature. I hope you enjoy this kind of vlog. I just thought I'd give it a go. I've done it kind of before. Once again, I was in nature. Basically, the way I see these kind of things is if I'm doing something mildly interesting. I guess none of this is for video stuff. If I do a lot of bigger production things, I might do some behind the scenes vlogs. That's the main aim. Yeah, usually it'll probably be more behind the scenes stuff, but I thought I'd give it a go again. I'm not a real while. It's that kind of time of the year where I just feel like I should make some vlogs, I guess. And a crow that just flew past. Some more crows over there. There's a lot of crows around here. There he is. There's the fella. Looking all cheeky. Leave him be. Gotta be friends with the crows. Now this is getting a bit swampy now. I've talked about Shin-Yoku quite a lot. It's become quite a special part to me. I've composed pieces about it, I've made videos about it, I've written essays about it. So all my experience on them, or my perception of them, I'm not fully versed in the world of Shin-Yoku. This was nice. Treetops. Anywhere you look up, I think it looks stunning. The green and the blue, man, oh, it tickles me. It gets me, man. Wow, huge ass tree. Right now, it's time we head back this way, which isn't as interesting, so I'll end it here. And I will see you. Oh, heck yeah, look at this. I found a little cubby hole. Oh my god, this is actually sick. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll see you at the thrift store. So that was it. So me getting my Halloween costume, I'm going to try to do everything in the thrift store because I feel like that's where I'm going to get old clothes. Also, it's cheaper there. So that's kind of the plan. We'll see how it goes. And in a bit. It's a bit of a up and down. I've gone shopping now. I've got myself a blazer and a shirt that loosely resemble the bowler hat man. Not perfect, of course. It's hard to get perfect. But as I am not an 8 foot tall floating man, it's hard to get everything. There was another thing. It's that the square where the shops were, there's a lot of people. And all of them terrified me. It's a bit dodgy, the area. And I know this part of town is known for that a bit. I got a Greg's. Sorry, there's a spilt cup of Greg's coffee. Reminded me, I got a Greg's. Got a cheese and bacon wrap and an apple juice. It's a bit of a failure. Apologies, I wasn't filming. It's kind of scary in there. The St. Peter's Hospice was probably the nicest place in that area. Yeah, it's kind of, I don't really know. We've done it all now. We've got some clothes. I don't think they'll look very good. The blazer is very large. I think it's an extra large. There's a squirrel. I can't switch my camera around. There's a squirrel over there. I don't know if you saw that. So yeah. I'll see you when I go home. I'll show off what I've got. Then probably be the end of the video. I got some of the stuff, half of it. Yeah, I'm sloping now. that we move. Some more crows over there. So yeah, see you in a bit. Bye. Hello. Back in my house, in my room. This is all you're allowed to see at the moment, or mainly because it's messy. I'm here to show you what we've got. I've actually been editing the video. We're at 10 minutes and 12 seconds. It's a nice length video. So here we go to finish off. This is the haul from the thrift store. There'll be a picture of the bowler hat man. And so firstly, I can't be asked to put them on. Maybe I'll tweet a video or tweet a picture of me later, or when I'm wearing it, when I get the full outfit. So we just have this, it's just a shirt, but it doesn't have a collar. It's very like pajama-y, and it's old, and it's got patches on it, which I think is hysterical. Just gives old vibes, doesn't it? I think that works quite well. It's not a white shirt, but I think this collar really brings that together instead. I just got this large blazer. So this was $4.99, that shirt. This blazer was $7.99. It's a £3 more. It's just an old dark grey. It might be tweed. No, I don't think it is tweed. But it's a soft material. It's gonna be big on me, as it should be. And it's a similar kind of colour to what he wears in the show. I just fear that it's gonna be a bit too much, you know. I'm going to a party with it, basically, and I don't want to be wearing lots. I don't want to be uncomfortable, you know, on a party. It'll annoy me having all the additions, like the hat. Not that I worry too much if I lose the hat. But I don't really want to be I'm just going to be wearing a suit, basically, which feels weird. So I think I need to adjust it. You know, I need to modify it a bit. But yeah, that's basically it. This is the vlog. Hope you enjoyed. I wrote the music. I mentioned in my last video I'm gonna hopefully start live streaming sometime soon. We'll see. I'm changing like actual jobs at the moment, which will affect it. Yeah. So there'll be things happening quite a lot on this channel, I think, in the next few months. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully all good things. And I just become really productive. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog. Hope you enjoy the ASMR. Don't forget to join the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, Threads. That's where I post most. I post as much as I do on either. Subscribe, like, comment, all those jazz. If you want to support me, I do have a buy me a coffee, but you don't. Of course, I'm not going to force you to. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Good night. Good night. Wow. Shows how used to I am at doing that. See you later.